Moving on, Union Home Minister Amit Shah lashed out at Arvind Kejriwal over his "won't have to go to jail if you vote for me" appeal and said that there can be no bigger contempt of the Supreme Court than this. Now, his remarks came after Kejriwal, who is out on interim bail during his roadshows in the national capital, and Punjab said that if the people vote for the AAP and India bloc candidates in the elections, he would not have to return to jail. Listen in.
400 पार का जो नारा था उसको आप
देखिए, अब ये तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जज साहब जिन्होंने इनको इंटरिम बिल दिया है उनको सूचना है। इसके बड़ा इनका कंटेम और कोई हो नहीं सकता। क्या सुप्रीम कोर्ट देश का विजय पराजय के आधार पर गुनाह का निर्णय करेगा? मैं नहीं कह रहा है, केजरीवाल जी कह रहे हैं। मैं तो सुना भी नहीं, आपने कहा, मैंने अखबार में पढ़ा है।
Now, when asked about the Supreme Court judgment to grant Kejriwal interim bail, Shah said that AAP is projecting the decision of the top court as the victory of Kejriwal and added that it was not a clean sheet. The Supreme Court had granted Kejriwal an interim bail on May 10th, allowing him to campaign for the Lok Sabha polls.
देखिए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले पर मैं कोई टिप्पणी करना नहीं चाहता, परंतु सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले को जिस तरह से आम आदमी पार्टी, कुछ मीडिया के ग्रुप्स और ज़्यादातर जर्नलिस्ट इसको केजरीवाल की विजय मानकर चल रहे हैं, मैं थोड़ी इसकी स्पष्टता करना चाहता हूं। इनकी प्ली सुप्रीम कोर्ट के सामने क्या थी? इनकी प्ली थी कि मेरी अरेस्ट ही गैरकानूनी है, मेरी अरेस्ट को रद्द कर दीजिए, मतलब मुझे यहाँ से बरी कर दीजिए। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने नहीं माना। फिर प्ली को मॉडिफाई किया कि ठीक है, चलो भाई, अरेस्ट रद्द करना छोड़ दीजिए, मुझे बेल दे दीजिए। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने नहीं माना। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सिर्फ इतना कहा कि आपका चुनाव के प्रचार का जो मांग है इसको आप पूरा करिए, हम आपको इंटरिम बेल देते हैं और 1 तारीख को आपको सरेंडर करना है। वहाँ तक न सरकार में कोई काम करना है, न ऑफिस जाना है। अब इसको ये बड़ा विजय और क्लीन चिट मान रहे। क्लीन चिट नहीं है, चार्जशीट पड़ा है अभी कोर्ट के सामने। अगर उनको इतना विश्वास था तो सेशन कोर्ट में कॉसिंग डालते कि मेरे खिलाफ चार्ज ही गलत है।
Now, Shah also took a swipe at Kejriwal, suggesting that the public will be reminded of the liquor scam whenever they see Kejriwal campaigning for the AAP and the Congress in the ongoing Lok Sabha polls.
देखिए, मैं ऐसा मानता हूं एक मतदाता के नाते कि जहां जहां वो जाएंगे शराब घोटाला याद आएगा। अब फायदा होगा या नुकसान आप तय कर लीजिए।
पंजाब में,
हाँ, प्रचार में जहां जहां जाएंगे शराब घोटाला ही लोगों को दिखाई देगा। कई लोगों को तो बड़ी बोतल दिखाई पड़ेगी।
Mohit, we of course heard what the Home Minister had to say in this interview. He's not mincing his words. But politically speaking, what can one really read into the situation at the moment?
Well, you see, since Arvind Kejriwal has come out of the jail, Aam Aadmi Party leaders and Arvind Kejriwal himself in various road shows in Delhi and Punjab has said that if the people will vote for the India Alliance and the Aam Aadmi Party, then Arvind Kejriwal will not have to go back to jail. Now, this is where the BJP is hitting out at Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, the BJP and Home Minister Amit Shah himself stated that Aam Aadmi Party is projecting this interim bail as a big relief as he's absolved of all the charges, but that is not the case. He has just been given an interim relief by the Supreme Court to campaign in the elections, and by 2nd of June he'll be back again in the jail. So that is what the BJP says. But the Aam Aadmi Party, you see, the politics is also about the setting up of a narrative and how exactly you hit out at your opponent using the situation, and that is why Aam Aadmi Party says that Arvind Kejriwal coming out of jail is a big win for them, while the BJP says it's a routine court procedure, and if they had so much belief that the case against Arvind Kejriwal is wrong, then why did they not go for quashing of the FIR, quashing of the case in the Sessions Court? But we know that how Aam Aadmi Party has also started this campaign. Jail ka jawab vote say. So that is where the Aam Aadmi Party is trying to pay a sympathy and the emotional card to reach out to people and say that, see, Arvind Kejriwal is standing against the BJP government and that is why he has been sent to jail. You need to vote for the Aam Aadmi Party to ensure that Arvind Kejriwal comes out of the jail and BJP gets defeated. While the BJP says that this is an interim relief, this has nothing to do with the quashing of the case. Arvind Kejriwal has been just granted the permission to come out of the jail and campaign. And Arvind Kejriwal, if he says that if you vote for me, Aam Aadmi Party and India Alliance, then I'll not have to be going back to jail, that is clearly contempt of court. This is what Home Minister Amit Shah has said, and he has hit out at Arvind Kejriwal, saying that court does not make any decision on the basis of wins or losses. If he'll win the election or not win the election, that does not impact the decision of the court, and hence Arvind Kejriwal, according to Home Minister Amit Shah, is indulging in contempt of court. So we see that in run-up to the election, all these allegations are being leveled up. The political slugfest continues. Aam Aadmi Party says that jail ka jawab vote se Arvind Kejriwal coming out of the jail, they are saying that it's a big victory. While the BJP has been saying this is just an interim relief by the Supreme Court, and by 2nd of June, Arvind Kejriwal will be back in the jail. Back to in studio.
Right, Mohit. Thank you very much for helping us better understand this. And of course, politically speaking, how one can also read into the situation. But for the moment, we'd have to leave it at that.